Finbox Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Finbox is an AI-driven robo-advisor designed for investors who want data-backed decisions without the hassle of deep financial analysis. It provides stock research, portfolio analysis, and valuation tools, leveraging AI to generate investment ideas based on historical data, market trends, and financial metrics. The platform is built for both beginners looking for guided insights and experienced investors who need quick fundamental analysis without manual research. It offers features like stock screeners, custom watch lists, DCF valuation models, and portfolio tracking with risk assessment. The interface is clean, and automation makes it easy to scan potential investments. Now, let's get into what works and what doesn't. The best part? Finbox provides extensive financial data in a digestible format, pulling from trusted sources like S&P Global. The AI-powered valuation tools can help users gauge whether a stock is under or overvalued based on financials, making it great for fundamental investors. You can also create custom stock screeners with specific metrics, helping filter through thousands of stocks efficiently. For portfolio management, it breaks down exposure to different sectors, highlighting risks and diversification gaps. Pricing-wise, Finbox has a free version, but most valuable tools require a premium subscription, which might be a downside for budget-conscious investors. Now the cons. While Finbox is a powerful tool, it's not a fully automated robo-advisor that manages your investments. It's more of a research assistant. You still need to execute trades manually. Also, the AI-generated fair value estimates are helpful, but should not be blindly relied upon, as market conditions can change rapidly. Some users might find the learning curve steep, especially those unfamiliar with financial metrics. Additionally, while it supports global markets, some regional stock data may be limited. So, should you use Finbox? If you're a DIY investor who values data-driven insights and wants an efficient research tool, Finbox is worth considering. However, if you're looking for a hands-off investing experience with automated trading, you'll need to look elsewhere. It's a great companion for stock analysis, but not a replacement for full-scale portfolio management. Ultimately, Finbox is best for investors who want a robust stock research platform, but are willing to make final investment decisions themselves.